Hi, I'm Mark from Overlandish, and I'm here today to show you how to properly deploy your Rainfly for your Basecamp Standard tent. Before setting up your Rainfly, lay out your footprint and set up your tent where you want to camp. Now that your tent is set up, empty your weather pack, pull out your Rainfly, pull out your stakes, and for the Basecamp Standard, you should have 14 stakes. Step number 1, place your Rainfly over your tent, making sure to line up the roof vents in the tent to the roof vents in the fly. Once you get it into position, pull down. The corners will actually nest into the tent, making it a secure connection. Step number 2, it's time to stake down your Rainfly. Start with the front of the tent, getting those front 2 corners nice and tight. Go to the back of the tent, pull it nice and taut, get those in. Go to the center of the tent and get those last 2 main stakes in. Step number 3, it's time to fine tune. This is where you're gonna infill the rest of your stakes to ensure that your Rainfly is nice and tight and weatherproof. As each one moves around, make sure that the next one's tight, making it look good, because if it looks good, it works good. Step number 4, now that your Rainfly's on and your tent's looking good, open up that front door and appreciate your brand new vestibule, and make sure to open up all those windows to let all that ventilation in. Happy camping.